Namaste to all my dear children, my listeners. Children, this is last video of chapter number 2, People as Resource. And in this video, we will learn about the definition of unemployment and different types of unemployment. So look, what is the definition of unemployment and what are different types of unemployment? Children, this is the definition of unemployment. Unemployment is said to exist when people who are willing to work at going wages cannot find job. Clear? Unemployment is said to exist when people who are willing to work but they do not find job. So this is called unemployment. Meaning of workforce population. Workforce population includes people from 15 years to 50 years. Clear? What does workforce population includes? It includes people of 15 years to 50 years. In India, we have unemployment in rural and urban area, right? Unemployment can be seen in rural as well as in urban area, and but the types of unemployment is different in both the areas. Now look, in case of rural area, there is two types of unemployment. These are the types of unemployment that can be seen in rural area. Number one, seasonal unemployment. Number two, disguised unemployment. Disguise is also called hidden, right? So these are two types of unemployment in rural area. Now in urban area, have mostly educated unemployment. Educated unemployment or structural unemployment can be seen in urban area. Now what is seasonal unemployment? Disguised unemployment. In case of disguised unemployment, people appears to be employed. They have agricultural plot where they can find work. This usually happens among family members engaged in agriculture activity. The work required the services of 5 people but engage 8 people. Children, look, this is disguised unemployment. The people requires the services, the, the work requires the services of 5 people. Clear? Work requires the services of 5 people but engage 8 people. So 8 minus 5, 3. 3 people are disguised or hidden unemployed. Clear? So what is the definition of disguised unemployment? When more people are engaged than required. This is called disguised unemployment. Like in this example, 5 required and engaged are 8. So 3 are hidden employed or disguised unemployed. 3 people are extra. These 3 people also work in the same plot as the other. The contribution made by the 3 extra people does not added to the contribution made by 5 people. If 3 people are removed, the productivity of the field will not decline. Look, if the 3 people, extra 3, removed, the productivity of field will not decline. The field requires the services of 5 people and 3 extra people are disguised unemployed. Clear the definition of disguise? Disguised unemployment is also known as hidden unemployed, in which more people are engaged than required. So extra people are called as disguised unemployed. Like in this example, 3 people are disguised unemployed. Right? Now, children, this is the definition of seasonal unemployment. Now look, the seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment, children. Definition of seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment happens when people are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. Clear? Seasonal employment means when people are not able to find job during some month of the year. Means they get job only a few month in the year. People dependent upon agriculture usually faces such kind of problem. The seasonal unemployment is usually appears in agriculture. There are certain busy season when sowing, harvesting, weeding and threshing is done. Certain months do not provide much work to the people dependent on agriculture. Clear? Seasonal unemployment means seasonal unemployment is basically appears in agriculture, because agriculture is a seasonal occupation. Few months farmers have a work, rest of the month they remain unemployed, right? So seasonal unemployment, clear children? Seasonal unemployment happens when people are not able to find job during some month of the year, and people depends upon agriculture usually face such kind of problem. So that is seasonal unemployment. Children, one more example of seasonal unemployment is sugar mill. You can see that sugar mill remains closed 6 months, and 6 months they work. So because meals are totally depend on agriculture. So seasonal unemployment clear? When people do not have whole year work, only few months they have a work, and rest of the month they remain unemployed. And this basically found in agriculture sector. So that's all about seasonal unemployment. Disguised we have already discussed in the previous slide. So thank you viewers, thank you very much. I think the concept of unemployment, types of unemployment, and definition of unemployment clear to all. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.